Abeg shift small, success dey pass. No be pride o, na standards. Carry grace, beauty, and small madness. Complete package.
See composure, see confidence, see packaging. God when?
God when?
Oh sorry, God don't do am.
You dey talk, but are you making money?
If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen these 3D cartoon characters going viral everywhere, and they look insanely good, right? Sit back, let me show you how you can create one for yourself in just a few minutes. I'm going to show you step by step how to create these trending 3D cartoon character that you can use as an influencer, a brand, mascot, or your main character for funny or faceless storytelling videos. Yes, it's easier than you think. Let's get into it.
Now, the first thing you need to do is open your AI image generator, whichever one you prefer. For me, I'll be using ChatGPT, and yes, you can use it to generate images for free. Now, once you're inside, you're going to paste a detailed prompt to create your 3D cartoon character. Now, this prompt is very important because it controls the style, the facial expression, the lighting, the 3D animation look as well. Don't worry, I'll drop the full prompt in the comment section for you, or just comment prompt and I'll send it to you directly just in case you don't see it. Okay, so this is what I got. Our image is ready. All you're going to do now is to just click on save. That's step 1 done. So step 2 is to turn the image into a talking character. Now here's where the magic happens. Go to your AI video tool. I'm personally using Grok AI because it's free, yes, but you can use any similar tool that allows you to animate images. Once you're inside the app, click on animate image to select the image you want to upload. Upload the 3D character image you just created and let it load properly. Now, while it's loading, it's going to ask you for a script, and this is where you're going to type what you want your character to say. It could be anything, a funny skit, or even a trending commentary. Don't worry, if you don't know what to make your character say, just go to ChatGPT and simply type, write a short script for a 3D cartoon character who is funny and relatable. ChatGPT will generate something instantly for you, and you can tweak it. Tweak it the way you want it to be, personalize it, and then paste it back into this your video tool, and that's it. You click the arrow for it to send.
God when? Oh sorry, God don't do am.
Oh my goodness, this is actually nice. I like the fact that it can actually speak pidgin English. So those of you doing African folktale story, this will be beneficial to you. When your video is ready, click save, download it, and you can then post it on your social media platforms. That's it. I was able to do it a couple of times, and that's how I was able to generate this.
Abeg shift small, success dey pass. No be pride o, na standards. Carry grace, beauty, and small madness. Complete package.
See composure, see confidence, see packaging. God when?
God when?
Oh sorry, God don't do am.
You dey talk, but are you making money?
If you found this video helpful, do not run away yet. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want more free AI tools and tutorials like this. I'll see you in my next video.